Hey class, it's the week of May 4th, and I am going to show you our new math for the week. It's a new topic. We are going to be learning about telling time to the nearest minute. So we need to review a couple things to make sure we remember the parts of the clock and how it all works. So I have a clock here, and I have stopped time. That means that my second hand is not moving. I want to review what we already know about a clock. So, each number on the clock, so we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each big black number, it represents 5 minutes, okay? So, even though this says a number 1, we start with 5. And what it does is it skip counts. So, we know how to skip count by 5, so let's see, let's practice. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. It is 60, but on a clock, we don't say 60. When we get to 12, we say o'clock. Okay, so we know that the numbers on the clock represent skip counting by 5s, okay? So the next thing that we need to talk about are the lines, the little bitty lines, these lines right here. They're the little bitty lines in between the numbers. So what are those? Those are the minutes. So there are 60 minutes marked on this clock. Let me show you how. When I get to the 1, when I get to the 12, I'm going to start counting each line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, let me count, keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so we just said 5, 10. So you guys are seeing how each little line represents 1 minute. And there are 60 minutes on the clock. If you counted every single little line, you would get to 60 minutes. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. 1 hour. So don't forget, 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Now, the small hand, this little guy right here, this small hand, he points to the hours on the clock. The small hand points to the hours. And the big hand, this one right here, the big hand, he points to the minutes. So remember, small hand is the hour. So if I move it right here and it's at o'clock, I would say that the time is 2 o'clock. Now, if I moved the big hand, which are my minutes, and I moved them over here, let's see, let's move it to the 9, okay? So we know that it is now 2, do I say 9? 2, 9? Nope, I got to figure out what 9 is. So I could skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 2:45. All right. So that's just a quick little review on the clock, how it works, what the hands are. And you are going to see your activities this week talk about telling time by the minute. So it might not always be a number that's on the clock. It might be a number that's in between. So you're going to have to count the minutes. 2:37, 2:42. You're going to have to count those minutes. All right, good luck. Bye.